Hey everybody, Dietric Williams here, the navigator, here to take you from where you are to where you want to be, and welcome to another edition of Info on the Go. Today we're going to be talking about investment properties, fix and flip properties to be specific. Yep, HGTV and all the DIY shows have made it seem so easy to go out there and buy a property, renovate it, put it back on the market, and just make a killing in profit. But there's some things that you need to know, basics that you need to know in order to see whether that deal is going to be a good deal or not. And so what I'm going to talk about is a term that you've probably heard. It's ARV, or after repair value. So the after repair value is what you expect to put the new home on the market for. So let's say you find a property that costs you $350,000. It's going to cost you $50,000 to renovate, so you're $400,000 all in. But you can sell it for $500,000, which would say that you have $100,000 profit, right? That seems excellent. That seems great. But in the ARV, there's something called the 70% rule. So let's just apply that rule to this specific example and see if this would be a good buy. So you're going to put the house on the market for $500,000. That's the after repair value. And you want to take 70% of that, which is $350,000, right? Your repairs, remember, cost you $50,000. So you take the 70% times the ARV, $350,000, minus the repair cost, $50,000. $350,000 minus $50,000 is $300,000. So that should be the bid price that you're willing to pay for that property in order to make it a lucrative buy. Now, this isn't to say that this is a hard and fast rule that you absolutely have to follow, and that's the only way that you can make money. But generally speaking, that is a really hard, fast rule of thumb that seems to work out between 85 to 90% of the time, 85 to 95% of the time, I would say. So there you have it, the 70% ARV rule. You take 70%, multiply it by the ARV, or what you expect the house to sell for, subtract what you think the renovations are going to be. That's the price that you want to use to bid on the property that you're looking at. If the numbers work out, you should be good. If they don't, you probably want to relook at them, really fine tune that, and see whether this is a good deal for you or not. Okay, so I hope that helps. If you're thinking about investment property, please feel free to give me a call. I can walk you through the process. I'd be more than happy to help you, take you from where you are to where you want to be. I thank you for watching this edition of Info on the Go, and I will see you next time.